I am Mr. Ermia Parsamanesh from Tehran city from Iran. Uh, I want to introduce my project to you. My project means weather forecasting project. Uh, if I want to talk about it a little bit and overview it, this project is a Python-based weather forecast application that fetches and displays current weather conditions, hourly forecast, and a 3-day forecast for any city. It utilizes the Open Weather Map API to retrieve real-time weather data, presenting it in an interactive and visually appealing way using ASCII graphs and tabulated tables. The application is especially for students and beginners in Python programming who want to learn how to integrate APIs, handle data, and create user-friendly command line interfaces. Okay, let's go and see what we have here. First, let me go to my folder. Sorry. Let's go. First, let me go to my folder. And then let's see what we have here. If I enter the project and uh, let's say, for instance, Tehran city. Let's see what we have here. Fetching weather for Tehran, predicting the graph, and forecasting. This is my overall code. My code is here. As you see, uh, first it told me what is the current weather in Tehran, the temperature, field light, condition, humidity, wind. Then afterward, showing the prediction of today's weather for Tehran. This timetable we have it here, and then the graph of Tehran's weather, and afterward, uh, forecasting weather for Tehran, 3-day forecast. Okay, let's see what we have here. Uh, Here, as you see, the modules the library I use request, Calorma, Tablet, and PyTest. I use request for fetching API data from the website, Calorma for color terminal output. As you see, this is colorful. Tablet for displaying data in table, as you see, and then framing and iter tools for loading animation. And PyTest is for uh, my test project. Okay, here I import them, and afterward it is my API key from the website, and the website name is, I want to show you, the website is Open Weather Map, and I use the API of that website, my own API. Okay, let's see what is the main function, my functions. One of the main functions is get current weather. As you see, let me go to there. Get current weather city. We sorry for that. We make a URL with f string, and afterward I use request library, and with that I go there and say the data in in JSON in this variable, that data, and I see if no error found, return it. without any sys.exit. Return data, and it is one of our main functions. One of the other functions is get forecast. It makes the URL, but it is a little different because we use forecast here, and we do that again, but we use just these things of that API. This list of the data in the API, and we return it if no error comes. And one of the other functions is get hourly forecast, and we make the URL and blah blah blah. This is my code. We have more functions as you see. You can go to that my GitHub page and see it. For instance, print ASCII temperature graph. I use it for printing ASCII temperature graph that it is here, as you see, the time saver. Or other thing, detect alerts. For instance, let's search Moscow instead of Tehran. I think Moscow is so cold, so we will see alert. Oh, no alert. So fine, okay. But I will show you here. If thunders comes up, the alert is like this, rainy. If weather is rainy, or if the weather is snowing, it's like this. If the weather is so hot, it's like this. And if the weather is so windy or so cold, it will alert like this. And if you listen the alert, printing alerts is about that. Printing and loading animation is just for these things that it's saying fetching Moscow, and yeah, it's like that. Get icon, I use icons with a function, and then I told you this thing. It's for printing the table with tablet library, and we print it in this function. When you return that, we bring it here. And I told you this, I think, and this is the main function. We use all things here. We call it, and then the code works. And this is my test underline project file. I tested all of the functions here, as you see. I use Mach for this, for some functions like this, and yeah, I tested, and let me test it again. And here we go. Oh, sorry for that. But yeah, 12 function pass, and it's all good. And yeah, this is that. Hope you enjoyed this.